Okay, so I'm a little bit excited because today I'm going to reveal the new channel motorcycle, the bike that we're going to literally put through hell and back, the bike that's designed to go through hell and back, so we get to put it through every single trial possible. So ladies and gentlemen, let me reveal to you the brand new, brand spanker for this channel as well, motorcycle that we're going to put through its paces. Check this out. Well, there she is. There is my Himalayan 2021 Euro 5 brand spanking new that we're going to put through the paces. And even check out Royal Enfield, because so far the customer service from there, from the dealership that I've been dealing with, have been absolutely fantastic. And that's Cooper Motorcycles. The Royal Enfield dealers are out of this world for just being down to earth. They've even let me a rucksack to take my stuff in, because they've given me a mug and stuff that comes with the bike, and I get part of their like rider club and all sorts. It's fantastic. It's so welcoming. But anyway, we're here for this, and I'm really, really excited. Now I know that most people will be saying that you should be keeping this shiny new and well polished, but that ain't the style of the channel. So we're going to take this on an adventure. So I'm going to ride this bike back now and take her on an adventure, straight in the back of the Monkey Cycle camper van Mark II, and off on an adventure. So like I said, I'm excited. So should we find out what she's like? Because I did take her on a test ride that you saw, well, a demo bike and a Euro 4, and it pretty much sold me it, but that was just a few minutes. Let's find out what she's really like. Let's put her for her paces. But yeah, here we go. I'm only a little bit childishly excited. So she's got that almost, what's it called? Like that tractor style, that I've got the right terminology. You'll know what I mean. You'll be shouting at the screen. It's got that agricultural, that's it, agricultural feel to it when you start it. But let's turn around here, let's get out on the road, and let's see what this bad boy's like. Ooh, let's go. They feel so light, it's incredible. Now, probably not done the best thing by putting my forward-facing camera where it is, but it's temporary until basically I can get home and put my proper mounts in place and have the angles that we really like. But yeah, I'm excited. I am so excited. Now I've linked up, everything's done while you're at the dealership. My app's linked up, so this is turn by turn signalling that you'll see on the right.
Continues straight onto London RD.
And it's voice command as well, that's really annoying straight away. But yeah, that's turn by turn, so this should guide me home, what's quite nice. And let's go in the back of the Monkey Cycle camper van, and we're going on adventure. Anyway, I've got to run it in, so I can't go mad. It is brand spanker, and I am going to look after it. Well, I'm not, am I? Because I'm going to take it off-road and do absolutely mental things on it. But in regards to maintenance, I'm going to actually, for the first ever time, use the dealership network, and actually, because I like them. I like that dealership. It's such a nice dealership, and I'm going to use it and keep the warranty intact and everything else, and just see how this bike goes. And it comes with 3 years warranty, 3 years roadside assistance. Cracking, absolutely cracking.
Now at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Wollaston RD/A509.
Second exit? You'd think that was pointing that way. That's the second exit. Need brand new tyres to bed in as well, so I've got to take it a little bit easy. I just want to gun it. But hey, it is what it is. Right, let's pop this down, because it's a bit of rain going on. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. It sounds quite nice, doesn't it? It does sound quite nice. Now, I went for this colour. Now, this is another important thing. I went for the silver, because of the brown seat. Now, when I had my Bonneville, I went out my way and bought a brown seat for it because it just makes it look ultimately sexy. And having silver, you get the brown seat. Now, I honestly actually preferred the standard gravel grey, but I looked at this and went, oh, it looks nice. Now, the psychic said to me, well, just go and buy a brown seat, but I want to have it completely standard. So even when I ordered this, the guy that owns the dealership said to me, what extras you want on it? Because obviously a lot of people, because these are not expensive, literally at 4,699 on the road new. He said, what extras do you want? Like handguards, do you want this, do you want that, do you want the rally? Do you know what I mean? I can do stuff to the suspension, so it's like rally sort of style, and you can do more of your off-roading, and do you want the full panniers and all this stuff? And I went, no, I want it absolutely bog standard, because I want to build on the upgrades and obviously vlog about the upgrades. So this is literally the bog standard Himalayan with nothing extra on it at all. Now, when I get back, before I go, I'm going to be putting on the base plate on the back so I can mount the new back box, and that's it. It is completely standard. So this whole adventure, this bike is standard. Then of course we'll put some extras on it as we go and as we find that we need them. But I am going to, I am going to enjoy this as you'd expect, standard from the garage, and put it through its paces. It's good. It's smooth. I'm taking it dead easy. So as I said, again and again, I'm running it in. Now, I want to go through all the little boring bits on it as well, because to me this is new as well. So, obviously the mirrors, you can see out of them fantastically, that's brilliant. Now, I actually have bought folding mirrors because, again, to get it in and out of the camper makes it a lot easier. But I'm going to keep it standard for the first trip. I'm not going to put anything on it at all, other than the back box. You've got the compass again, so obviously I can navigate myself instead of doing it by the wind, the cloud, and the stars. I can actually just use the compass and know that I'm going north. I don't know why I'm going northeast. I'm going northeast, that kind of thing. Yeah, I'm just dead excited. Right, I need petrol. It's EU5, obviously EU10, fuel compliant. I don't really. I'm going to do a proper full review of this bike, and I'll go into some specs and stuff in the future. I still haven't even bothered doing any of that yet because I'll get a little bit too excited, and as always, I don't overly plan these things. I was sold on that test ride. I was like, I want it. I just want it, and I believe it's going to be awesome for the channel to see. Again, for this money, what can you get that's this good, and to see if it's that good as well. So, yeah. Oh, I'm excited. It's got a nice, like, crisp sound to it. I don't know if you can hear it, because obviously I use a dead cat on my microphone and stuff like that, because obviously all the wind noise and stuff, and the Senna 10C Evo does run quite high in volume, so I have a lot of editing play with that, but hopefully you can pick that bad boy up. I've got a new bike for the channel, people. A new bike for the channel. Oh, I love it. If you could see my face, that you can't again because it's visors down, I am like, it's like a kid in a candy shop. I just want to know what this can do. I actually find this seat currently more comfortable than the Honda. Yeah. Now, when it comes down to the position, I've said previously on that first ride, it's very neutral. My legs are nice, slightly curved down, so I don't get that kind of numb leg feeling. Handlebar side of things, a lot of people put bar raisers on these. Now, for me, I won't bother because that is a lovely position. I want to be that slightly down again. I don't want to be slightly up because it gives me that dead arm effect. So again, I'm really happy with the straight out the box, the position of the bike. Oh, I just can't wait to get this on this adventure. So you want to know what the plan is. You want to know what I'm doing, and I'm going to go back. Now, this is a Himalayan. This is Royal Emmet. It's designed for the Himalayans, and of course, I'm going to go and try and recreate that. Okay, not really. I'm going to go to somewhere I've not been on the channel because I generally want to do something I haven't been and seen as such. So I'm going to take this to the Yorkshire Dales, and my plan of it is like I said, load this in the back, the camper, drive to the campsite, hopefully get there before it's too late, hopefully get a ride on it, but we'll see. And then in the morning is setting off an adventure, and I want to do the Buttertub Pass. And if you Google Buttertub Pass, it is one of the most, if not the best, I think it is the best pass in the UK. It is supposed to be absolutely spectacular, and that is what we're going to go and ride on to give it a good road sort of use, and it's as closest to the Himalayas as I'm going to get today. And then from there, my plan of it is I've downloaded an app, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the app to take me off-roading, and it's people's routes. If that all fails, I will obviously download the audio survey, if that's what it's called, app, and I'll just go off of that and do it the old-fashioned way through maps. But I'm going to be really disorganised and winging it, and basically my plan of it is just to search for an adventure, and search for the first adventure on the Himalayan, because this is going to be going through a whole world of fun and pain and how good it is and how good I am. So this is the start. The bestest pass, and then some off-roading in the Yorkshire Dales. I reckon it's going to be interesting and gives me a chance to get to know the bike. And the other side of it is, with this, is the servicing. First service is at 300 miles. You're running in miles, hopefully over. I've got basically a week to get 300 miles done. So I'm going to have to be doing a few little run-outs on it. That gives me an opportunity to get some more videos on it before it goes in for its first service. And then the service intervals for these are 3,000 miles, every 3,000 miles. And as long as you do that, you keep this 3-year warranty, this 3-year roadside assistance. So, like I said, we'll see how that works out. We'll look at costs as that happens as well. So we're really going to get to know this bike, and to have some great adventures alongside the Monkey. The Monkey bike, awesome piece of kit. This is supposed to be an awesome piece of kit. So let's see how good Royal Enfield are, and how good their servicing is, how good, you know, the whole network is, how far Royal Enfield have come, because this is supposed to be fantastic, and we're going to prove it, hopefully, throughout the life of this bike. Don't gun it, Alan. Don't gun it. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Well, we're getting there. All I've done is hit traffic this morning. What's not good either, but we're going to get there. We're going to chuck this in the back, and we're going to go in search of an adventure. And it's already dirty from all this horrible weather and dirt off the road. Oh, you poor bike. But you're going to get a lot more filthy yet, my friend. A lot more filthy yet.
Tonight we're running on the right track.